Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a new film simulation recipe I found on the Fuji Weekly website. I was browsing it this morning looking for a new film simulation to try. Came across this one. It looked quite interesting. It's a very subtle film simulation. It's based on Pro Neg Standard, which I actually have never used before, so it was kind of piqued my interest that way. It is called Fujicolor 100 Industrial, and it's based on a film. Now, from reading on the article, I will link to this article down below so you can check it out if you want to learn more about this film simulation recipe. It is based on a film that is only available in Japan. It's a color negative film, and apparently you can only find it in Japan. So the color is based off of that. I hope you enjoy the POV. If you want to see the recipe, I will leave it down in the description below. This is one I'm going to try a bit more. I only had a little bit of time to get out today, but I think I'm going to keep this one saved on the camera and give it some more shots. If you want to follow and see some other photos that I took with this from not on the POV, I'm going to be sharing some on my Instagram, so you can go check that out as well. I'll link it down below in the description. Enjoy, everybody. hopefully you enjoyed that one. Give this one a try. It's, as you can see from the colors, it's very subtle. The colors have kind of just enough saturation, but I do like the tweaks to the Pro Neg standard. This is a film simulation that's built in the Fuji X-T4 that I have never used before. So a nice subtle look I think I found with these photos. Hopefully you enjoyed them. Hopefully you enjoyed the channel. Don't forget, if you have made it this far and you aren't subscribed to the channel, I do POV videos. We share lots of Fujifilm simulation recipes. It'd be great to have you follow along. Hit that subscribe button. It's easy to do. And if you enjoyed the video, as always, hit the thumbs up. It helps the channel out, gets it spread out. And that is everything. See you all in the next video. Thanks for watching, everybody.